now we're going to talk about Dandiya Raas. Also referred to as Raas, these sticks are your Dandiya. This is a partner dance, so the idea is you're going to get an opportunity to either choose a partner and take them to the circle with you, or meet a partner at the circle. The dance itself has 5 steps. The first thing we're going to talk about before talking about the dance is how you use these sticks referred to as Dandiya. You want to hold them in your hands. You want to hold it at around a quarter from the bottom, maybe up to around a little less than half from the bottom, and you want to make sure you're not holding them too tight, because we're not trying to attack our partner with the sticks, we're trying to utilize them in the formation. Okay? So kind of loosen your hands, strong enough that you have a grip on there, but a little loose in your hands as well. The idea is there's 5 steps that you use in Dandiya Raas, and you use your Dandiya on each of those steps. After you finish those 5 steps with your partner, you actually rotate to your left to the next partner. In most cases, you're skipping one person and going to the left. If this doesn't make sense, we'll show you in a second in the demonstration. But let me show you the 5 steps so you can start to practice them. Step 1, hit your Dandiya right in front of you. Step 2, use the Dandiya in your right hand, the right stick, and hit your partner's Dandiya stick. Step 3, use the Dandiya in your left hand, the left Dandiya stick, and hit your partner's left Dandiya stick. Step 4, hit your Dandiya sticks in front of you again. Last but not least is step 5. This is one where you hit with your right Dandiya stick with your partner again as you're rotating to the left, skipping one person, going to your next partner. The idea is you start over again. Hit in front of you, right hand, left hand, hit in front of you, and the 5th is you hit with your right stick again and you move on. This rotation continues on and on in a group formation. Now I'm going to invite Ryan into the picture, and we're going to show you from a side angle how this looks with your partner. Now we're going to do the 5-step Dandiya Raas formation with your partner. And I'm going to show you how it goes from top to bottom. Step 1, hit the stick right in front of you. Step 2, right stick to right stick. Step 3, left stick to left stick. Step 4, hit the stick in front of you. Step 5, hit the right stick as you're moving on. He's going to actually move on to his left, and I'm going to move on to my left. In this case, we don't have other partners, so I'm just going to rotate back around and do it again with him from a different angle. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The idea is, it's just the 2 of us right now, but when you're in the middle of the group, you'll be able to move over one person and continue in the circle. All right, now we're going to do a few formations together so you can practice at home as well. What do you need in order to practice? Well, you need a partner, first of all, and then, if you don't have Dandiya sticks at home, you can also use spatulas, pencils, or even your hands. The idea is getting comfortable with the rotation itself. The last thing to remember is, when Ryan and I do it, we are going to be interchanging back and forth, but in the normal motion that you're going to do that evening, you're actually going to switch partners totally, so you get a chance to understand how it works. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the important thing to remember here is the steps keep moving. There are only 5 steps, so you have to listen to the beat and you have to keep going. You see, even as we're rotating, we're hitting our 5th step. If you do miss a step, it's important to catch right back up to where the group is. It's okay if you skip a step. The idea is everybody's moving at that same 5-step rotation throughout the circle. So let me show you an example. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you see there, I missed that first step, but instead of waiting back to hit my own Dandiya again, I went right into that next step, which is the 2nd step of the rotation.